Shocking news. ADA price begins climb. Cardano smart contracts August delivery. Cardano jumped past $2 for the first time in nearly 3 months as the blockchain's chief developer announced a September release date for the planned Alonzo upgrade, a move that would usher in smart contract functionality and thus address what critics have described as one of the network's most glaring deficiencies. Today, we're going to talk all about the impact of the Alonzo hard fork on the ADA price and when the smart contracts will be live. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 14th of August, shall we? Cardano price finally released from the magnet effect of the 2018 high at $1.4 with an emphatic 13.74% gain on August 10th. The breakthrough was followed by a 6.93% gain and a test of the 61.8% retracement of the May collapse, generating a 33% return for ADA investors that bought into the symmetrical triangle breakout on August 5th. The bullish price action should continue with the all-time high of $2.51 now within striking distance. Cardano price volatility adds a new trend dynamic. At yesterday's high of $1.91, Cardano price had climbed almost 90% from the July 20th low, highlighted by an 11.01% gain on July 21st to kickstart the ADA rally and a 13.74% spike on August 10th to break the resistance of the 2018 high. A fundamental turning point for the ADA rally off the July 20th low was the bullish golden cross pattern on the 6-hour chart on August 5th. It raised the momentum quotient for the rally and posited a trend change for Cardano price. With the test of the 61.8% retracement level and the June 3rd high of $1.81, Cardano price has posited itself for much higher prices. To capitalize on the building momentum, ADA must discard the retracement level and the psychologically important $2 with the same conclusive price action shown on August 10th. If successful, Cardano price will reach the 78.6% retracement level at $2.16 and be just 16% from the all-time high of $2.51. Higher ADA price projections will be reported once Cardano price has reached the all-time high. The cryptocurrency complex could be overwhelmed by a wave of profit-taking in the coming days, putting the considerable Cardano price progress at risk. ADA must hold the 2018 high of $1.4 during any correction, and a declining volume profile should accompany it. It was a long wait for ADA investors before Cardano price ramped up the volatility to break the chains of the 2018 high and the momentum quotient to produce 2 consecutive days with solid gains. As long as the 2018 high holds on a daily closing basis, the altcoin will be well positioned to strike a new all-time high in the coming weeks. Now let's get back to the topic. Smart contract functionality would allow Cardano to incorporate more applications, including so-called decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms that allow for automated cryptocurrency lending and trading. The improvement could put the network in a better position to challenge Ethereum, currently the leader among blockchains with smart contract functionality. The ADA price reached $2.08 at 9:05 UTC on the 14th of August, the highest since mid-May, when ADA was trading at $2.31 at its all-time high. Over the past 24 hours, it's up 16%. The recent price rally has pushed Cardano's market capitalization to about $65 billion, vying with Binance Coin, BNB, and Tether, USDT, for the number 3 rank among all cryptocurrencies by market value after number 1 Bitcoin, BTC, and number 2 Ether, ETH. Nigel Hemsley, head of delivery for Cardano, said in a video released by developer Input Output Friday that the platform would launch the Alonzo upgrade on Monday, September 12th, though a quick glance at the calendar shows that the date falls on a Sunday this year. The developer later tweeted again, saying that the platform targeted simply September 12th for the upgrade. Started by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano is a blockchain that aims to compete with Ethereum and other decentralized application platforms, but as an avowedly more scalable, secure, and efficient alternative. Any growth in the price of cryptocurrencies is either directly caused by positive news driving up sentiments among buyers, or a growth in tandem with the overall market trend, Yuri Mazur, head of data analytics at crypto trading platform CEX.io broker, wrote via email. Cardano's highly anticipated Alonzo upgrade is also a good reason for investors to stack up on the coin. The optimism has also risen in a prediction market started in July that allows participants to bet on whether Cardano can release smart contract functionality by October 1st. Nigel Hemsley, Cardano's head of delivery, claims that the project's engineering teams and test teams are working extremely hard as they are rapidly moving toward the hard fork combinator event. In the meantime, numerous partners are working on their decentralized applications written in the Plutus programming language. Hemsley says that Cardano will end up with about 500 community members working on the network by the end of the purple phase. The Cardano Foundation team is responsible for cooperating with exchanges. The lion's share of the exchanges have to be on board before the hard fork happens. By August 16th, IOHK will have its final mainnet candidate release for the node Plutus core. The Cardano testnet is scheduled to be hard forked on September 1st. Which will enable the team to see how the whole package runs in a production environment. This is going to be the last piece of the puzzle before the Alonzo hard fork gets deployed on mainnet, according to Hemsley. As we come up toward this hard fork, we will deliver the Plutus capability, a full toolbox of smart contract capability, and then we'll start it right from there. It gives us the foundation to build on Cardano. We'll have more and more dApps and other innovations coming out shortly afterwards. Hoskinson said of the Alonzo update, "The process of upgrading has been so refined, it's amazing we can flip a switch as an ecosystem and it just works on the other side." Hoskinson also highlighted that all tests have been satisfactory so far, with a very low level of bugs. He said that most of the errors detected can be, and have been, taken care of swiftly and easily. Once the upgrade is complete, the network is also expected to support an ERC20 converter, which will allow Ethereum-built tokens to be able to be easily ported over and run seamlessly on the Cardano platform. A final date for the Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which will set the smart contract capability in motion on the mainnet, will be given mid-month, possibly as early as a few days' time on August 12th. Mainnet integration is expected by IOHK on August 31st, but it could take place as much as 3 to 5 days later in September. What's really cool is that 5 seconds after the HFC event occurs, said Hoskinson to any developers watching, you can run Plutus code on Cardano. If you're really creative and understand our stack, you guys can actually start writing and deploying your smart contracts on mainnet if you so choose, which is pretty awesome. Or you can wait 2-3 weeks and the testnet will be in a position where you will have the full Cadillac experience and you can write stuff and deploy it there. Many analysts tip Cardano as a token with significant future upside potential. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.